see this.
$50 shipping. They are sold out already.
Under my wings, I can feel the air pulling me up as I
So we're going to do a assembly here with our Ragley Marley 2.0. It's finger tight currently.
Up here at the front fork, we have a RockShox Recon RL 130mm travel.
Alright, so first we're going to unclasp the brake lever.
And the front tire is a Maxxis Minion DHF 27.5 2.6 inch.
Alright, so with our brake levers undone, we can get our front caliper in.
Here at the stem, we have a Ragley 50mm plus 3 degree, and the handlebar is a 800mm Ragley alloy. For the crankset, we have a Suntour Xeron 32T 170mm, a KMC X10 10-speed chain.
Next up we have the Crank Brothers Stamp 1 size large. I'm going to pop those on, so here we go. These are marked when you get these pedals left and right. So here's the left side. And here we have the right pedal, left hand treads.
The rear derailleur is a Shimano Dior M6000 and a Maxxis Minion DHR2 back here as well. Brakes are a Shimano MT400 hydraulic disc brakes, 180mm front and rear.
So let's go ride it. Don't even need the leg. Get some really good footage.